will be what it is in a hot, and he will be what? Cold comparatively. Hot and cold is in a degree of hotness. It is in a comparative study. So in the daytime, if it is cold, it will become what? High pressure. And it will become what is in a hot, means यहाँ का air क्या हो जाएगा? It will get warm and it started moving upward. Yes or not? तो ये high pressure से low pressure, the first wind started moving. And if it is in a warm air from here, it started rising up. और मैंने बताया था, I said that if the low pressure is in the ground, there will be what? Convection upward. And then यहाँ पे कुछ amount of air is there, suppose 700, then there will be also 700. So what happened? The amount of air rised up, it become what is in a more air, so it will become high pressure. इसके comparatively it will become low pressure. Then wind started moving like this, and then after becoming heavy, it started descending down. Yes. So who has done this in the daytime? Sun has done. But what happened? A specific heat. But due to specific heat, what was? Same heating or differential heating? Whose? Land mass and water body. So my definition will be what? आप definition क्या लिखेंगे? Wind moves from the what is in us? Land, sea to land, that is sea breeze, land to sea, that is land breeze. अब ध्यान से देखेंगे, क्या बोलेंगे? In the daytime due to differential heating of land mass and water body. Due to differential heating of land mass and water body. Yes? Clear है? As per the specific heat. As per the, और किधर ज्यादा प्रेशर है? See? And the less it is. So as per the specific heat, I said that in the daytime due to differential heating of land mass and water body, as per the specific heat, pressure gradient develop from sea to land. Yes or not? Pressure किधर से develop हुआ? Pressure gradient. Sea is more high pressure and the low pressure. Pressure gradient develop from sea to land. Therefore, wind started moving from sea to land. It is known as sea breeze. Understood? It is known as what? Sea breeze. So write down the definition of sea breeze. In the daytime, due to differential heating of land mass and water body, as per the specific heat, pressure gradient develop from sea to land. Pressure gradient developed from sea to land. It is known as sea breeze. अब आप सोचो कि ये डेफिनेशन आपको मार्क्स दिलाएगा या अर्लियर दैट व्हाट यू आर स्टडीइंग. Clear? Got it? Now, so किसकी specificity ज्यादा है? Yes, tell me. Whose specificity high? Yes. Water is, and this is in a land. तो वाटर को कितना हीट चाहिए? 400 कैलोरी. एंड लैंड को कितनी हीट चाहिए? यस टेल मी. अच्छा ये मुझे बताओ, आप फटाफट बताओ ना, जस्ट एंजॉय करते हुए बात करना. जो ज्यादा खाना खाएगा वो ज्यादा बाथरूम भी जाएगा जल्दी जल्दी. और जो धीरे धीरे खाएगा, दोज हु इज ईटिंग स्लोली एंड स्लोली, ही विल रिलीज आल्सो स्लोली एंड स्लोली. सो यू हैव सीन दैट वाटर इज टेकिंग हाउ मच हीट? 400 कैलोरी टू इंक्रीज इस टेम्परेचर बाय 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस. लेकिन लैंड क्या ले रहा था? 100 कैलोरी पे हीट. इसका टेम्परेचर क्या हो गया? 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस. लेकिन यदि मैं लैंड को कितना दे दूं? 400 कैलोरी, दिस टेम्परेचर विल बी व्हाट? सो द लैंड मास क्या होता है? इसकी स्पेसिफिक क्या है? 4 times low. Its specific heat is what? 4 times low. तो ये यदि इसको आप the sun rays is giving same heat, तो ये क्या किया? लैंड ने जल्दी जल्दी हीट खा लिया, increase the heat. Yes or not? Land is heat has been increased. और नाइट में क्या होता है? Sun rays are not there, and if the sun rays are not there, it means the every substance will release the heat. Every substance will release the heat, but as per the specific heat. So whose specific heat is low? Land or water body? Land is specific heat is very low, 4 times ज्यादा है. तो जिसकी specific heat low होती है, they absorb the heat fast to become high, and they also release the heat fast to become cold. Understood? How much land is specific heat is with respect to water? 4 times more, 4 times less. Understood? So I said that इसमें लिखेंगे लो स्पेसिफिक हीट का मतलब क्या है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लो स्पेसिफिक हीट? फास्ट हीटिंग एंड फास्ट कूलिंग ऑल्सो. यस और नॉट? फास्ट हीटिंग एंड फास्ट, दिमाग में रहेगा. लो स्पेसिफिक मीन्स व्हाट? फास्ट हीटिंग and fast cooling, because when the sun rays are not there, they will fast release the heat. Yes. And high specific heat must what? What is the meaning of high specific heat? बता दो अब तो तुम लोग. You must be understanding. Yes. Slow heating मतलब it will take time to heat. लैंड का कितना स्पेसिफिक हीट है? 400 हाई है, तो ये धीरे 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 लेगा. आपको एक बात बताओ ना, हीट 400 देने में जल्दी लगेगा. 100 कैलोरी विल टेक गिव द हीट फास्ट. 400 कैलोरी विल टेक द टाइम टू गेट. So land will take time to what is get heat up, and then high specific heat means I said that it will take time to get heat up. So it is in a slow heating, and then also in the night time if absorption is slow, then release is also yes or not? The slow cooling. तो रात में जब heat release करेगा there will be slow cooling. So in the night time what will happen? Tell me. नाइट में क्या होगा? Who will release the heat fast? Land mass or water body? क्योंकि लैंड मास की स्पेसिफिक कितनी है? 4 टाइम्स कम है, बहुत लो है. तो he absorbs the heat fast and release the heat fast. तो नाइट में जल्दी रिलीज हीट करके क्या करेगा? It will become colder, and water body will release the heat slowly. So it will become 4 times colder, and it will colder means what? Colder means what? Or it will be comparatively warm. It means it will become high pressure, and it will become what? Low pressure, and then wind started moving from here. And what is the meaning of low pressure? If anywhere there is a low pressure, the wind will what? Convect upward, and anywhere high pressure, you know that there will be descent downward, and it means above it will be high pressure due to going of the wind, and thereafter it will come here and descend. This structure will create, and this is known as a land breeze. That is known as what? And it will happen every day or every year? Yes, every day, day and night. और ये कब हो रहा है? It is happening in the night. It is happening in the night. So write down. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? What is the definition? Differential heating बोलूँगा या differential cooling? हाँ? Differential cooling होगा. किसकी वजह से हो रहा है? As per the specific heat and pressure gradient. Yes. और किसकी वजह से? Differential release of heat. So मैं बोलूँगा in the night time differential release of heat causes differential cooling of land mass and water body as per the specific heat. Therefore pressure gradient develop from land to sea, and it is known as land breeze. So write down. In the night time, due to differential release of heat, due to differential release of heat, and differential cooling of land mass and water body, as per the specific heat, as per the specific heat, pressure gradient developed from sea to land to sea, pressure gradient developed from land to sea, known as land breeze. इसका एक कूलिंग मोड होता होगा, तुम लोगों ने इसके बारे में पता नहीं होगा और तुम लोग दबा देते होगे और इसका छेड़खानी करते हो बिना जानकारी के।